Hello everyone, Vaughn Marie here, and I'm super excited that you are joining me for the video hop today. And we have a DT Faves hop, which is so fun. So those are the products that I used: Magical Memories craft dies. This is a kissing booth that I ran out of, I ran it out of faux red glitter paper, and I think it's so pretty, and I am going with red, yellow, black, and white theme. And so I'm going to cut out the base with yellow cardstock, and I thought those colors were pretty. And then I'm using the paper pad here, the Starlight Bright Remixed, for this red. For my background, it's red with white stars. And so my motivation for this card is I'm going to Disneyland. So this Magical Memories die set there is so fun. Look what's included. You get a banner, you get some mouse balloons, you get gloves. Let me see, you get bows. There is just so much, and it is the first time to use this die. And so I was so excited that I could use it for a DT Faves hop. So, and I'm going to just be grabbing my Kat Scrappiness side, side snips. I will have all the tools in the description. I will have them in the product supply bar that you can click, and you can go to Kat Scrappiness to shop. So Kat Scrappiness has so many products, and so I can't wait to see what everybody else uses for their favorites. And so I am keeping most of this die set together. I ran it out of black cardstock first, and then I'm going to use my triangle embellishment tray and try and put the black pieces in one tray and the white pieces in another tray. Isn't that balloon cute? Also, because I'm going to Disneyland for my son's 10th birthday, I thought this was a really fun card. And so this might be a card for him, maybe. So so I cut out my background with an A2 die, and then I am gluing my kissing booth together. And I just thought it would be cute as like a Mickey and Minnie type of booth. So really fun, and I like all these elements in this die set. So let me tell you a little bit about the hop. So you can win a $15 gift card to the Kat Scrappiness store. You can win that here on YouTube as well as on Instagram today. And so you must be subscribed to the KS newsletter and fill out the Rafflecopter form, and I will have that down in the description. This is also a playlist for everyone participating in the hop, so you can click on the playlist and watch everybody, and you can leave comments and likes is great. And then make sure and come back to the socials to see if you are a winner, and I believe that the winner will be announced by May 3rd, so check that out. So here I am just gluing the pieces, and I love that bow. It's so cute. I love those ears too, so I'm excited for Disneyland because it's also May the 4th be with you weekend, so you can imagine. So yeah, so anyways, getting back to my card, I'm cut out the banner in black and yellow there, and I was going to put them together or kind of combine them, but I decided to just put the black banner on top and the yellow banner on the bottom there. So I couldn't decide, and so here is my thought process, because I don't write anything down before I start making something or filming, so I am just going with the flow, and I'm just putting my balloons together. And I just thought it would be fun to do a white balloon. Usually see all kinds of different colored balloons at Disneyland anyways, so however you want to use these dies is going to be great no matter what. And so just gluing everything, and I thought liquid glue was easy for me, just in case I had to move something. And so I'm going to put that other bow on top there so it looks like the Mickey and Minnie balloons. And then I love that glove too. And so there's just so many fun elements in this die set. So I'm excited I got to use it for this DT Faves hop. And you really don't need many colors, which is amazing, and no coloring involved. I did stamp a sentiment that I will show later, and that is from the Quokka Flowers stamp and die coordinating die set. So I'm going to glue my panel to a black A2 US card base. And I will be adding some embellishments. I am using the white confetti and black confetti sprinkles. And stars would have looked great too. I'm going to add a little bit more glue to the back of that banner. I just wanted something, it probably didn't even need embellishments, but I just wanted to add a little something, so that is why I will add a few sprinkles. That is my sentiment there. And I love the Quokka Flowers stamp set. They have some great sentiments. And it's always nice that the die cuts it out for you. And so here are my sprinkles. And make sure and check out Kat Scrappiness's embellishment, because there is so many embellishments in the store. I cannot even memorize all of them. And so I'm just using my tool, and I'm going to be adding a few of those black sprinkles and a few of the white sprinkles. And I think this card came together pretty quickly. And so it's a great card to batch. Like I said, no matter how you use those dies, it's going to look cute. So I would love to see what you create using this die set. And I'm also excited to be hopping around and seeing everybody's project for today. And after this, I will just be adding a few gel accents with my white Jelly Roll pen. And so here's a close-up, and then here is the Vacation word die and shadow that I was thinking of using. But I didn't think I would have room, so that's why I decided to go with that sentiment from the Quokka Flowers. And I will show a close-up in just a second, so I appreciate you joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful day and have fun hopping, and I will show you my close-up. So have a great day. Bye.